To install Zoom Meetings on your laptop, follow these steps. 1. Open a web browser on your laptop. 2. Go to the Zoom website, https://zoom.us. 3. Click on the Sign Up. It's free button if you don't have a Zoom account yet. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. 4. Fill out the required information to create a new account or sign in with your existing account. 5. After signing in, click on the Resources tab at the top of the page and select Download Zoom Client from the drop-down menu. 6. Choose the download option suitable for your laptop's operating system, Windows or macOS. 7. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click to run the installer. 8. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. 9. Once installed, launch the Zoom application and sign in with your Zoom account credentials. 10. You're now ready to start using Zoom Meetings on your laptop for video conferences and online meetings.